Hey guys, it is your girl Medicine Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me today. This is the look that we are going to create. I love coming to you guys with new videos, and I wanted to do a mauve moment, baby. A little pink, a little purple, all matte. Well, mostly matte. I had to do a inner corner highlight type of moment to kind of bring the look to life. But this is the look. I love the way it came out. I had a little hesitation about the lip, but I definitely like the lip better in person than I do on camera. But the look came together quite nicely. And if you want to know more on the details on how I achieved this look, definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so what we're gonna jump into first is the brows. Yeah, the favorite part of everyone's video. We're gonna use my NYX eyebrow gel in the color Expresso. Start off with just a little bit of concealer under the brow first today. I haven't done this in a while. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and just prime my eyelids. I'm sure you guys can realize and recognize which brow is not my favorite. It seems like the Lord forgot to bless me on this edge of this brow right here. It's a little gap. So we always got to fill that in. Boom. And because my brows are not as thin in the front, I don't need as much product in the front. So it definitely normally goes towards the tail. So we're gonna go in with the Jckie Aina palette, and we're gonna tap into Supreme, that pink color. Let's see how this pays off. And we're really just gonna build that up all over the eye. If you actually look into your mirror with your eyes open, you get right above there so you can see the color. And that's as far as you need to go. I don't think I've ever tried this pink color, but Jckie made the palette for us, all us melanated beauties. So you can imagine that the payoff is gonna show. It's gonna show. If I had gone into any other palette, I know that this pink probably would not have shown up on me. This is a palette I can definitely stand behind. From the same palette, we're gonna tap into Big Wig, that purple color. And I'm going in with a tighter brush. We're gonna place that right up under where we place the pink. And blend that in. So as you can see, we're layering those two colors. The Jckie palette did not have the lighter shade of pink that I wanted to go in with, so I'm going into this LA Girls Hot Heat palette. All of these beautiful colors, and I'm going to take, I think the color is called Holiday, and just place that right on the mobile lid. Now back into the Jckie palette, I am going to smudge that Big Wig color, that purple color that we used, onto the lash line. Line the eye. And we're gonna go in with the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M371. Alright guys, so we are almost done with the eyes. We're going to go ahead and get started with the face now. I have already placed my primer on. You know I love Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Love that, love that. And then I definitely went in with my MAC Strobe Cream. Alright, so we are going to now go in with my complexion. Starting off with the Morphe Concealer in the color 5.25. Place that right up under the eye. Going with a little bit of my NARS in the color Walnut. Right there. And then we're going to go in with my Juvias Place, the color number 7. Okay, we're going to start blending out under the eye. All right, we're gonna go up under the eye with the Makeup Forever matte powders and set up under the eye. I'm also gonna put a fine layer of translucent powder down. While that sits for a bit, we will finish the bottom part of the eye. I'm gonna jump back into this LA Girls Hot Heat palette and go in with this dark color down at the bottom and just smoke out that bottom portion. And I'm not gonna take it all the way across the bottom. I'm pretty much gonna concentrate it right there in the corner. I'll run a little bit of this color right in their tear ducts. I know I said it was a matte moment, but I changed my mind. Just under the eye though. And right there in the little tear ducts. It's not really a moment without a tear duct moment, you know? And then I am gonna go in with the purple that we used from Anastasia. Big Wig. And sit that right in the middle between that dark edge color and that iridescent color. Okay, so that translucent powder has sat there long enough. So we're gonna brush that off. And then we're gonna bronze up the face with my Morphe bronzer in the color Supreme. I love this stuff so much. I do. She does me right. She does me right. We gotta get into a little nose moment. Just a little bit. Just a little. We're gonna go in with a little rose colored blush moment. This is Milani Rose de Oro. I said what I said. Said what I said. Definitely gotta hit the bottom lashes. Okay, I don't really know what color lip. I'm trying to do like a pinky mauve nudie. Yeah, we're just gonna go for it. So I'm going in now with a currant pencil from Kara. And I don't believe that to be dark enough for me, so I'm gonna go in with this NYX Expresso liner. We're gonna try this Dose of Colors Honey I'm Home. It's giving me a moment. I don't know which moment it's giving me. Do I like it? I think I like it. I like it better in person than I do on camera. The deception. All right, people, so this is the look. Yeah, I kept with the lipstick, the combination that, yeah, we tried on camera. I kept that. So we're gonna move with that. I kind of like it. Again, like I said, I like it better in person than it's reflecting on camera. But then again, I'm probably more accustomed to just this basic old, you know, taupey brown nude. But it's pretty. It's pretty in person, people. I wish you guys could see it. This is the look. Again, thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.